Hey tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered what keeps your data safe from cyber threats? Today, I'm diving into the world of firewalls and why they're absolutely essential for your digital security. So, what exactly is a firewall? In simple terms, a firewall is like a security guard for your network. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and decides whether to allow or block specific data packets based on predetermined security rules. Think of it as a barrier between your trusted internal network and untrusted external networks, like the internet. Now, why are firewalls so crucial? First off, they provide a line of defense against unauthorized access. Hackers are always on the hunt for vulnerabilities, and a firewall helps to keep them at bay by blocking suspicious activity. It's like having an invisible shield that guards your personal information and sensitive data. Firewalls also help in preventing malware attacks. They can stop malicious software from entering your network and wreaking havoc on your system. This is especially important for businesses that handle large amounts of confidential data. Without a firewall, your network could be an open invitation for cybercriminals. And it's not just about blocking threats. Firewalls also help in monitoring and logging network activity. This means you can keep tabs on who's trying to access your network and identify potential threats before they become serious problems. In summary, firewalls are a critical component of a robust security strategy. Whether you're a casual internet user or running a tech-savvy business, having a firewall in place is non-negotiable. It's your first line of defense in protecting your digital assets from the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep tech-savvy. Thanks for watching.